This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, team. So in today's session, this is a classroom lab, right? So what you can do is, now if you look at the chat, I already shared one Excel sheet. Okay, I already shared the Excel sheet. Now I'll be sharing the credentials with you. Now I'll be sharing the credentials with you for logging into the Azure account. Okay, so now what you need to do, so once you log in into the Azure portal, so you need to fill up the Excel sheet. So Excel sheet I'll show you. So this is the Excel sheet where it is here. So first you need to enter student name. So once you entered your name, so next what you need to do is insert one column at the left here. So portal login. So let's say step one is portal login. For example, I am Malaya. So I can say that portal login is completed, means yes, it is completed. So like that, everybody should add the names here, and whatever steps are completed, you need to just fill up here, so that I'll be tracking who is at which step. I can able to track whoever is get stuck, so I can able to help you. Okay, this is the first thing. So high level, you understood, right? First thing is I'll be sharing credentials. With these credentials, you need to log in into, what is the URL? I hope everybody aware, portal.azure.com. You need to log in. So once you log in, so you need to access the Excel sheet and you need to enter name and you need to fill up. After that, I'll be guiding step by step. So you need to complete the lab next one and a half hour. Okay. So what is the lab that we are going to work for today is, so we already have completed the 5 labs, right? So in this out of 5 labs, so today lab that we wanted to practice is how to copy multiple folders from ADLS to Blob using bulk copy with lookup for each and a copy activity. So this is the lab that we need to do, team. This is the lab that we need to do. So if anybody have any issues in between, you have to inform me. Okay, so these are the credentials I'm putting in the chat window. I request all of you take and log in, team. Okay, so the step one is, please take this username and password, put it in your notepad. Step one, you have to listen carefully. Whatever username and password I have given, with that username and password you have to save in your local notepad. Second thing is, you need to open the Excel sheet link that I have given, Google Docs. Okay, you need to open that. These two things we have to open. That is the step one. Step two is, you need to log in into the portal. Once you log in into the portal, you have to fill that Excel. So till there, please complete it, team. So I'll be waiting. Whoever is having the problem in logging in or any issues in between, please let me know. I'll be keep monitoring this particular Excel sheet to understand who is login, who got stuck, everything I'll be monitoring with the help of this particular thing. Okay, so I'm seeing multiple people already logged in. Okay, I am seeing multiple people logged in, so please start your lab, team. Anybody have any doubts, feel free to ask, but whoever understood, please continue, team. If anybody is not aware how to log in, please let me know. I'll show you once. Anybody is there who don't know how to log in?
I have one small question. I messaged it in the chat window.
Tell me.
It's not that important, but yeah. I have created both the blob storage and ADLS storage, but I don't see any difference in the icon which you have shown yesterday.
You have
Shall I
not seen
share my
any
screen?
difference? No. Tell me.
Yeah,
You have not seen any difference in?
icon. Just before the storage name, we have the icon, right?
So it might be that you have not enabled the hierarchical namespace. Have you enabled hierarchical namespace?
Yes, I enabled.
Okay, so what is your name?
Venkatesh.
Katesh. Okay, so I'm giving you access. Please share your screen. We can see. Okay,
Sure.
make presenter. So team others, you have to start doing the things. Whoever gets stuck at whatever step, some people already started practice. Link should be able to access. So anybody is facing such issue, please let me know, team. Because okay, let me share my screen and show you. See, the access is given as anyone with the link. Oh, sorry, it is just a viewer. Let me change it to the edit team. Okay, sorry. Okay, I changed it to the editor mode. So please update it, team. Everybody, whoever login already, whoever login completed, please do it.
Malaya, yesterday I have completed, so I also update.
Yesterday, if you completed, well and good. So you covered all the scenarios.
No, yesterday's assignment is pending that I am doing now.
Yeah. So whoever completed the lab that we discussed, you can complete the assignment, because whoever is really completed whatever labs we discussed, still you have time. Please practice our assignments, because that will make you more confidence on the subject. Okay. So Amarlangaya, share your screen. So I'll help you, because he is the only student in our class. Hello, Amar. First unmute yourself. Share your screen.
Malaya. Yes, Malaya, am I audible to you?
Okay, fine, fine. I am in mute, Teams. I was talking in mute. Okay, it's issue from my end. Sign in with a different account, Amarlangaya. Click on sign in with a different account. Yeah, please tell me, team, other people. Here itself,
Yes.
click.
Uh,
Tell me.
okay. Yes, in Azure, yes, even I was also asking the same question. In Azure portal, where to give the ID like that? Okay, sign in with different account.
Yeah,
Actually, I was
sign in. See, for example, if anybody already created Azure account, but if you have not added a subscription, what you need to do is you need to don't type it, because it takes a lot of time and you may make a lot of spelling mistakes. Try to copy paste team. The username and password, I request you to copy paste. If anybody already login into the Azure but you don't have subscription, right top you have user, click on that and you will see something called uh, sign in with a different account. That is the place where you have to, that is the place where you have to uh, like put this user new username and password that I have given. So that's why I told you, you have to copy paste into. Okay, click next. Looks like wait. So you put, go to just at the starting. Yes, go to starting. So remove that mail too. Yes. Click next. Okay, enter password. cloud@123. C is capital team. No, C is capital. Okay, now you sign in. Very good. So now, okay. So now hold on team. So everybody please listen. Don't do anything. After login, don't do anything. If you make anything which is your own, I will be deleting such type of resource groups, because I also wanted to understand who is creating which resource and all. So that's why the first step for all of you is, so once you create a Azure account, let me see how many of you log in already. Just wait, Amarlangaya. Just wait a minute, because I want to understand how many of you. So I am seeing only around 10 people logged in. Okay. So what happened to others? Okay. So Amarlanga, now what you need to do, everybody. So second step for all of you is, you need to create a ADLS. When you are creating ADLS, please observe here in the screen share what we are doing. Subscription is same. Resource group, you have to click create new. Resource group, listen. I am saying first step is subscription is free trial. Resource group, you need to click on create new. Click on create new. Here you can give, everybody should give your name. Okay, for example, if it is Amar dev-rg, like that, everybody should give your name -rg. So your name environment -rg, not registration, not rg, resource group. Okay, click OK. Now the storage name also you have to give Amar source ADLS, Amar source ADLS, SRC ADLS, SRC, not E, SRC ADLS. So click review plus create. No, please hold on. So if it is the data lake store, no, don't cancel. Wait. So if you normally click review plus create and create, what storage it will create, team?
Blob.
Tell me, Amar, what storage it will
Blob
create?
Blob.
Blob storage. To make it as a data lake, what we need to do?
In
We need to check
networking, we need to
hierarchy.
enable
Go to advanced. Click on the
advanced.
second tab, advanced tab, second tab, top. No, what are you
Hierarchy.
doing? That tab here within the Azure account. See basics, advanced. Are you seeing basics, advanced? Click on advanced. Come down. Click on enable hierarchical namespace. Click review plus create. Now click review plus create. Okay, so this is what everybody should do, team. Please complete it, team. Everybody should complete this. Click review plus create. Create it now. Click on create. So now ADLS storage is going to create. Now ADLS storage is going to create it, team. So anybody have, please, I'm giving you few minutes. Whoever completed ADLS creation, you have to update it. So now Amar, you open another tab in the Chrome, in the next tab, portal.azure.com, where you can click on there. Why are you clicking like this? You have to improve a lot. So log in with the right credentials. Now you can create another storage account, Blob storage you can create. Everybody should do the same way, team. I hope everybody aware how to create data lake Blob. If anybody is not aware, you have to let me know. And when you are creating Blob data lake, you have to be very careful. You have to choose your resource group, your subscription. Select your resource group. Search there. Okay. Now you can give the blob. So Amar sync blob, something like that you can give. SINK sync blob. Click review plus create. With this, blob is going to be created. With this, blob is going to be created. Okay. Okay. So similarly, open one more tab, portal.azure.com, and you can create a data factory. So whenever you are creating resource, make sure you are working within your resource. Okay. Whoever completed creation of these 3 resources, please update it here, completed. Very good. Ajay is going good. So others, please continue, team. Give any Amar dev ADF ADF workspace ADF workspace. With this, you can click review plus create. No need to change. If you want to change the data center, you can change it. That is okay. So now what you have to do, team? Next, what you have to do? I request all of you to log in, team, whoever is not logged in yet. So I am seeing some people are asking now we are not able to. We don't have access means I can't do anything. I already shared the credentials. You have to take it from the chat window, team. So credentials are there in the chat window. You can see so you can just click on the pinned messages. In the pinned messages, you can see it is there in the chat. If anybody is not able to see, I shared the credentials once again. So I shared the sheet also once again. Please log in. You have to do. Okay. So now I'm trying to share some files. Just a minute. I'm trying to upload some files. Just waiting. Okay, so now I'll be giving, okay, now I am giving you one more link to download the data sets which can be used for uploading the data into the source data lake. So please download. Amar, you also take that link from the chat. Download these links. Okay, everybody, please download this. Go to the chat. Download this file, team. Everybody. Okay. So now you can go to that file. Open that file. Team. Anybody need any help? You have to inform me. So that file, whatever file I have given now, so you have to take that file, go to downloads. Yeah. So right click on that file and you have to extract the files that you have. This is a zip file. Right click on that file. No, right click on that file. I said, why are you going inside? You are not listening. Yeah. Go to download once again. No, no, no. Why are you doing this many times repeatedly? No, you are inside. You are not listening. Whatever I am telling, go to downloads first. Go to downloads. What are you doing here? You don't know how to go to folder also. Right click on this folder. This global or global one. 2 times you downloaded on yourself. Right click on that file. Arey yaar, you are going inside. I am saying right click on the file. You don't know how to right click on the file folder. Here you can see extract all. Extract all. You can click on that. Click extract. Okay. Now you can click on the downloads once again now. So now the extracted file will be there. Why are you closing? Here you can see left side download option. Left side download you are not able to see. Desktop download. Click on downloads. Yes. Now you see the extracted folder is there, right? Type if you see compressed file. The third one, whatever is selected, you can click on now. Click on that. Yes. Go inside. Yes. Go inside further. Yeah. So these folders are having some files. Okay. We want to upload these folders as it is into the storage account. So now what you need to do, go to data lake storage now. Everybody extracted the files team. Amar, go to data lake storage now. Go to Azure portal. Go to resource. This is the first tab, which is data lake. Go to resource. Click on here. First, see, don't take any tension. First, don't click on here and there. First, look at where you have option called go to resource. Slowly, aram se you can do it. Click on that. Now, where we will create containers. Wait, what are you doing? Where we will create a daily containers and folders. Where we will create them? Where we will create team? Left side data storage. You have to expand that.
Data
Yes,
storage container.
you have to expand it. So there is a yes. Click on that containers now. First tab. Here you create a container called global. Click on the plus container. See, theoretical things you are answering, but no worry. Like, see, now you are not able to do the thing. That's the problem. Give the name as global. Create a global container. Global. 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 Click create. global, right? Sorry. So delete it. I think spelling mistake I told. GLOBAL. You don't have option to rename it. Delete it. GLOBAL, global. Sorry. Okay. Go to containers. I am also confusing. Click on that. Sorry. Yeah. First, you create a new container global. 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 Create it. So now you select the wrong spelling container. You can select it. Click on that. Don't go inside. No. Yeah, you are deleting right one. Delete wrong global spelled container. I am saying the down one. This much guiding I can't do it. You people should practice it. If it is like this, it is very difficult for me to explain. Okay. So others, how are you progressing, team? So what are you doing? What I am saying, you click on the above containers. Click on that. Correct. Here I am saying the second container spelling mistake is there. Delete it. I am saying. So for you are not understanding. I don't know. Are you problem with English or what? Select the second container I am saying, but you selected the first container. Click on delete now. Put the name of click delete. Confirm it. Okay. Now go inside global container now. Now go inside global container. Go inside. Click on upload. Just wait, don't do anything. Now browse for files or files. Okay, so browse for files. Instead of that, cancel this. Are you able to cancel this? No. Good. Now create a 3 containers. Click on add directory, create emp cust orders, 3 folders you created. Add directory you are seeing, right? Why are you searching? See, first thing is you are taking a lot of tension. Click on add directory. Next to upload button, there is a add directory. Here you can put the cust, save it. Next emp, save it. Like that, you have to create folders. Next emp, save it. Next orders. Team, anybody need any help? Please tell me. Orders, save it. Now do one thing. Go inside cust folder. What I am saying, go inside cust folder. Why are you clicking there? Click on upload. Browse for files. Go to your downloads now. Go to your downloads. Go to the third folder where you have already unzipped. Go inside. Go in. No. What are you doing? Go inside. Double click on that folder. Basics you should learn first. Go inside. Double click. Double click again. It's a folder. Now do Control A in your laptop. Do Control A. Control A. Now click open. So all the files are selected. Open. Now click upload. So all these files now we uploaded into the cust. Similarly, you need to do for all 2 more folders. So let's upload for all 2 folders. Come back to the global now. Click on that global folder. Down. Click on that. Yes. Down. Click on that. Now go to EMP. Upload EMP files from the same download folder. He is taking a lot of tension unnecessarily. Why are you creating again? Okay. Slowly. Team, I am not getting any response from others. Are you able to do? Are you able to do or not? See,
Yes.
he is now, he is fine. He is able to do. Others,
Yes.
anybody
Sir,
need any? Yes, tell me.
hello
Yes,
sir.
sir, we
I
can.
cannot see add directory beside upload.
Because you might have created a blob storage. Okay. Source is a data lake storage, I said. You might have created a blob storage. That's why you're not seeing that option. Are you all getting, team?
Sir, can I
Clear?
share my
Yes. So Amar, please prepare the mapping meantime. What is your name? I'll give screen share access.
Santosh sir?
Santosh. Okay, Santosh, you can share your screen. Yeah, yeah, you can share your screen.
Hmm.
Very good. I think Krishna Priya almost completed. Very good. And creation of source folders, uploaded data is completed by
Sir,
5 people.
can you see my screen, sir?
Santosh, 1 second. Santosh, I'll see. Vijay, Chandramouli, why you are not progressing? I'll ask to share your screen and show me. You are just filling the Excel also will not work. You have to practice it. No, I'm not able to see your screen.
Sir,
Yeah, now I am able to see. Yes. Tell me.
sir, this is
Yes.
ADLS, sir. But beside upload, I cannot see add directory. Access
You
file.
people are not listening whatever I am saying. That is the biggest problem. How you can able to see when you created a blob storage? Just to name you have given it as a ADLS, but you created a blob storage. Now you are asking I am not able to see container. I told you the reason why you are not able to see subfolder because you have not enabled the hierarchical namespace. Are you getting still? That is okay.
Yes,
Even if you are using
yes, yes.
blob also, blob to blob also fine. So what you can do is click on upload. I'll tell you whoever make this mistake, you need to go different way. Browse for files, upload the files. I'll tell you. Go inside global, go to cust, select all the cust files, open. So do one thing. Don't click on upload. Go to advanced.
Hmm. Advanced, sir.
Click on advanced down here only.
Yes, yes.
Come down, you can say upload to folder. You will have logical folders. These are not existed physically. You can put the folder name as a cust here. Put cust. Okay.
Upload, sir.
Click. Yes, C can you give small? Okay, fine. That's fine. So now it is created, right? Like that, you have
Yes,
to upload the files and you have to put the folder name.
yes,
Don't forget to
yes.
put the files in a particular folder. If you put individually,
Okay,
we are not picking. We are trying to
okay,
copy multiple folders. Okay. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank
Anybody
you.
else is facing such issues? Anybody need any help, team? Okay. Summer, you can share once again your screen. We will work on the mappings. So now you have to work on the mappings. I'll see. Amar, show me the mappings that you created. Have you created mappings? If not, can you open your notepad? I'll tell you how to create mappings. People are just going through the training sessions but not practicing. That's the biggest problem. Because of that only all these issues are coming. Go to notepad. Yeah, so click on the file, click new file. Hmm. Yeah, plus also you can click. Yeah, here you put source src underscore container comma src underscore container container container. source container, comma, sync container, comma, sync container, comma, you put, seems to be dot, it should be comma. Okay, sync underscore container. Okay, from where to where we need to copy, tell me. Next line, you need to put the mapping. Enter next line, enter custom, global, put global is the main folder, global, global is the main folder, slash, no, don't give anything because we want to take entire folder path at once. Slash, before your shift button, there is a slash, slash, not hyphen, slash, before your shift button, you will have a slash in your system laptop. Enter button down, shift will be there, shift to left side, you will have a slash. There you have to put cust, global, under global you have a cust folder. From here I want to pick the files, comma, I want to pick files here from here and I want to load it into cust out. Put cust out at the sync side. No, put after comma you have to put cust out. See, you are student but you have to put lot of effort because all other people are working. You are the only student. That's why I'm helping you. Okay. Enter. So this is basically you are copying data from global main folder. Under that we have a cust folder. So from cust subfolder you are taking files and loading into the cust out folder in the blob, which is in the sync. So now similarly, from what all things you need to do, you create other mappings now. If you understand, did you understood? If you understood, create the similar mappings for other folders. Very good. Okay. EMP to EMP out, orders to orders out, you need to put something. Good. That's it. See, you need a small push. If I give little push, you are able to do it. Orders, I think we created a folder called orders or order. Can you check it once? What is the folder name? Just move the notepad, you can see the folder here itself. Data lake. Not here. In data lake, how you created, that is important. Here you can see you created orders. Yes is there. So in the mapping also, please provide orders yes at the source side. Global slash orders and orders out. Okay, good. Now you save this as a CSV and save. How to save this, you know, or you don't know? No. Wait. No, this one also. Just wait. Give the name as a config. Give the name as a config. Config. Wait, what are you doing? Control S again. So give the select desktop only selected, fine. You can give it as a config.csv. There you can remove entire name and put config.csv. Remove everything. What are you doing? I am telling config.csv, you are putting the headers.csv. Config. Config config.csv. Down you can select all files. Wait, don't hurry. Now click on desktop. You selected desktop only, right? Yeah, click save now. Now click save. Now you have to go to the source data lake. Here you can create one more folder called some metadata folder, and under that you upload that file. You create here one more folder. You create a right cust emp orders. Similarly, you create other folder called metadata folder. You forgot how you created these folders. Add directory. You are forgetting in few minutes only. Don't go anywhere. See, you are making a lot of mistakes. Why are you creating new container? Not required. Go inside global. Inside global, you already created. Yeah, global container you are seeing, you are moving here and there, lot of movements you are doing in the screen. You are not getting what I'm saying. Go to containers. Go to global. Arey, yeah, no, don't create new container. Why are you creating? I am saying go inside global. Create a new directory now. Add directory. Create a metadata container. Sorry, subfolder you need to create. Save it. Save. Go inside metadata and upload that config file which you created. Team, anybody need any help? Team, I'm asking you, anybody need any help? Search. Okay, upload it. Anybody need any help, team, here? Okay. Now once source is ready, sync side, do we need to create a containers or we no need to create the sync containers, team? Sync side we need to create containers or we should not create?
We don't need.
No.
We don't need, isn't it? So that's why what
Yes.
you need to do. Amar, do we need a folders at the sync side or not required? You are in mute, Amar. Tell me, do we need a folders at the, we need to create containers at the sync storage or not? We need it or we don't need? Amar, tell me, do we need to create or we should not create? Will it create automatically? Yes or no? I'm not listening. I'm not able to hear you. Are you speaking or you're not speaking?
Automatically
Okay.
create.
Yeah, it will create automatically. That's why sync container side no need to do. So I request you to open the data factory now. Open data factory now. Go to data factory. First thing, all of you, can you go to sync blob, Amar? He is having some headphone issue, looks like. Amar, go to sync blob, go to containers, sync side, blob storage is there. He is doing lot of problem for us. Okay, others, how are you progressing now? Others, how are you progressing? I am seeing a lot of people. So 4 people almost completed. 2 people, Venkatesh and Krishna Priya already completed lab. Okay, good. So whoever is having a time, so please practice vice versa from blob to data lake, how you can able to copy. But okay, so good. Krishna Priya Venkatesh is completed and 2 more people are about to complete it. Created a metadata file. Okay, so now Vijay, what is your problem? Where you got stuck, Vijay?
Sir, I am not done labs, sir. Hello.
You are?
Sir, not done labs, sir.
Yes, you have not
Hello.
done any labs. You have not.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
That's why today I
You have
am
not.
need to close all
Listen,
labs
listen.
from
You have not
yes.
practiced the labs. That's why I have given you the Azure credentials. Maybe I thought you don't have the Azure account. I want you to practice these basic labs so that you can understand the advanced labs. That's
Yes,
why
sir.
I
That's why I am.
the
That's why today I am close all labs, sir. Hmm?
no,
Hello.
first complete this lab. After that, you can complete
Okay.
other labs. First, you start with
Okay,
this.
sir.
See whatever
Um,
problems come. Because today
hmm.
Saturday, I can connect again. After my Databricks
Okay.
session is completed, I can connect back. You have to keep practicing this.
Okay,
After
sir.
7:30, I drop again. I'll join at 8:30. So you have to
Okay.
practice. Whoever is having problem, we have to work out
Hmm.
today. We have to finish
Okay, sir.
every.
That is the
Whoever
problem, sir.
completed.
That's why.
Okay, fine. Whoever completed, please don't leave the meeting team because I want to see all your labs. Yes, just are you filling the sheet or you really practicing? I want to understand. Next thing, Prasad is going good. Janakiram is good. Ajay is going good. Ajay, are you creating metadata file? Please create it. I think that is pending. Chandramouli, you are still in creation of ADF or what? Chandramouli, where you got stuck? Giri is going good. Chandramouli, where you got stuck? Team, you have to, at least when I ask, you have to respond. Santosh, you also stopped at the
I'm
same place, creation of ADF.
I'm
Or,
creating linked services.
Sir, I joined yesterday, so I just
oh, okay, Santosh, you joined yesterday. Okay, fine,
yes,
fine.
sir.
Maybe you are not aware of the things, fine. Swati, Swati, how? What is the status? Ratnakar,
Yeah, I created that storage account resource group of data factory, and I'm uploading the files to store
okay,
ADLS. So after that, I'll start.
okay, okay. Because all other people are working, so you know the basic things. The student is doing these things. Okay, fine. So now Amar, go to the sync blob. Open the sync blob storage. Sync blob storage is there in the second tab. Okay, now this is the sync blob. Okay, you know how to create containers, but let's not create any containers. We know ADF will create the containers automatically. Cancel this. Good, at least you know how to go to the containers. Okay, now let's open the data factory. Can you open the data factory? Third tab. Very good. Don't move here and there. Okay, you have to do it. You have to do right clicks. Yeah, sure, Venkatesh, you can practice whatever you want to practice it today. So till 10 or 11 o'clock I'll give you the access time, okay, to practice all these things. Later the access will be revoked. Very good. You know how to open ADF. Now what you need to do it. Whatever you know, do it now. So few things you know, right? At least do it. Whatever you know. Hmm. Give the names properly, okay? Good, good. At least you are going straight forward. Creation of linked service. Don't do that. Give the naming convention LS. LS is nothing but a linked service. LS underscore. You are creating for blob. LS underscore blob underscore. This is a source or sink. Blob is your source or sink. No, give ls underscore blob underscore. If it is a source, give it a source. If it is a sink, give it as a sink. It is a source or sink. I am asking you. Source, what you created. Source is, you don't know what is source. You did everything. You don't know what is your source. We are using source as a data lake, sink as a blob. So because we are loading data from ADLS to blob, you have seen, right? Subfolders and all we created in the source. So ADLS is your source, blob is your sink. What name you need to give then? LS underscore blob underscore. What is the name you should give? Blob is your source or sink? I'm asking you again. Blob is your target, your sink, where you are loading data. Underscore sink you have to give. Understand the lab. Just you are doing means doing is no use. Again. Underscore sink. Please type it. Sink. Blob underscore sink. Hmm. Hmm. Now you select all the required parameters here. Establish the connection. Here, very careful team. You need to search for your storage. So you search there if you are not able to find your storage. Okay, I'm a sync blob. Okay, fine. Next, what you need to do? Test the connection and create it. Test connection. I think this meeting, lot of meeting pop-ups and all will be shown. That's why he is not able to understand. Test connection, are you not able to see down bottom of the screen? Test connection will be there. Down to that screen. I'm not able to really shout it like this. Create it. Similar to this, can you create a linked service for data lake? Click new. Search for what? Data lake. Source is your data lake, not a blob. Search for data lake. Second tab, data lake storage Gen 2, you can see second. You are not speaking. I am hearing a lot of dog noise and hostel warden is hooting up the student. Everything we are able to hear you. Put here ls underscore linker service for ADLS. ls underscore ADLS underscore source. Not ADF, ADLS. ADLS. ADLS means Azure Data Lake Storage underscore source. This is your source. The right. See, when you are doing few things, search. Wait here. You see naming convention. If you say some places uppercase, some places lowercase, and all you are using. Go up to this linker service name. Don't do that. So you have to have a consistent naming convention. Give it in uppercase. ADLS underscore SRC also give it in uppercase. Uppercase, you don't know uppercase, that also have to tell. LS underscore blob underscore sync you have given. How you have given? Everything is in a capital letters, right? Similarly, here also you give capital letters. Source. Now you can test connection directly. You choose and everything. Create it. Next, what you need to do it. Go to author tab. Very good. Yeah. What are you doing? You are creating. First, you delete that data flow. Don't confuse. First, cancel this. Delete the data flow that you created. So, right click on the data flow. No, here, left side. Here, data flow 1 is showing, right? Name here. Click on that. That also will take it as a cancel. Now, click on data. New data set. Create a data set. What is your source? Search for source. What is your source storage? I am asking you, what is your source storage name? What is the lab you are doing? You are copying data from data lake to Blob. Source is data lake storage. Yaar, you are doing the lab. I am helping a lot, but you are not. What are you doing? You are not getting the point. Source is data lake. Search for data lake. Select data lake storage into second tab. What files we have uploaded? CSV. Select CSV. Binary also it's fine. You can select binary also fine. Give the naming convention. For data set, what is the name you need to give? DS underscore ADLS DS data set. Like this. DS underscore ADLS underscore source. How you will create parameters? Select linked service. How you will create parameters? Create a parameters. What is the step 1 to create parameters, team? What is the step 1 to create parameters? Click OK. Don't do anything here. Click OK. What is the second step, team, to create parameters?
Go to parameter.
He is
Go to parameters.
really listening our classes or not listening our
Go
classes?
to
Go to
parameters
Because
in the
parameter
middle
tab.
step.
hard
In the
tab.
below
Yes,
section,
seeing right.
beside connection.
No, same
Connection
tab only.
schema. The first
No,
thing
please
is
come down.
don't click anywhere until you really confirmed it. Yes, yes, that is the parameters. Part tab. Correct. Little above. Parameters. Do you know English?
No,
I
no.
am
Next
getting
to connection. Next to connection, go schema is there. Parameter is there. Then go there. Up connection where you
is
click na. Connection schema. Then parameters is there. Go to parameters.
first slow down. Just wait. I'll guide you. First step. So can you move your connection to the path where we will select the path? Can you move your cursor down little bit? I'll tell you. Okay. Little up. Now little up, little up. No, I am saying cursor, not those. Why are you moving your options? Cursor move little up. Yeah, who can able to guide this kind of people? So you are seeing connection schema parameter. Are you not seeing middle of the screen in the same tab? Connection schema parameter. Every day I am explaining. What are you listening then? Next parameter is there. Yes. Click on new parameter. Give the name as DS and I don't think anybody will be there like this. He is waiting for everything. He is not listening our classes also. Theoretically also, I don't think he is. Whatever labs we are explaining, I think he did not even focusing on the labs. DS underscore param underscore param underscore folder. Okay. Delete the second option, second parameter which you created. Now where you need to select is you need to go to connections. Hmm. So select this parameter. How to select parameter, you know? No, above, little above, click on that box. File system. There is option showing, right? File system. Click on that box. Click on that box. Correct. Click add dynamic content. You are seeing down one option came. Add dynamic content. Yes. Now you select this parameter. So these are the 3 steps to create a parameters. Okay, click OK now. With this, our source data set created with the parameters. Now you create a new data set for our sync. I am asking you to create a new data set. You are not getting what is parameter, what is data set also you are not understanding. I am asking you to create a linked service completed. Next we are creating a data sets. One data set you created. Please create another data set. Next to that data set, yes. Create new data set. Here you have to put as a blob. So your sync is blob, right? Select blob. You have to put little effort, team. Okay. Students, I can understand your problem, but you also need to know little effort you need to put. You are not doing anything. Select CSV. Give the name as DS underscore blob underscore sync. Select linked service. How to create parameter? Very good. Okay. Step 1. What is the step 2? Create parameter. Step 2 is create parameter, not doing this. Create parameter. Okay, good. We need little, I think first time we need to tell, then second time is following. Give the name, some name, ds underscore param underscore folder. Sync folder you can give to avoid confusion. TS underscore param underscore sync folder or target folder you can give. Any name is fine. Sync folder. Folder also give sync folder. Hmm. FOLDER folder name. That's fine. You can correct it later. No. It's okay. Go to connection. Click on select that parameter. Good. Now you are in the track. Okay. So first time we need to tell. Second time you are doing. Okay. Now you go to pipeline. Create one pipeline. Okay. What is the first activity that we need to use, team? Lookup activity. Search for lookup. LOO. Two O's. LOO. Wait. Bring that lookup to pipeline. Drag it. Very good. Leave it. Now go to settings of this lookup activity. Okay. Select the. Okay. So which data set we need to. First of all, what is the need of lookup activity, team? Please tell me. What is the need of lookup activity?
To read the data from file or database.
No, currently in current scenario, that is generic statement, whatever we discussed. But I am asking in current scenario, what is the use case of lookup? To read our mapping details. Where you uploaded our mapping details, Amar? In source storage or sync blob? Where you uploaded your metadata? Very good. In source ADLS, select it. Now, first of all, hold on. What you need to do? Hey, don't do that. Everything, whatever you know you are doing, don't do that. Wait. So, right top, you are seeing right top there is an option curly braces, open curly braces, closed curly braces is there. Next to that one, what is that? Some page, some book symbol is there, right? Click on that book symbol. That is a property. Click on that. Okay, that will be gone. Now you can able to see lookup properties properly. Now come down. Here you see source data set is asking. If you remember, first thing is our mapping is having a more than one record. So in order to read lookup should read all the data. So how you can make lookup to read all metadata details? So for that you need to uncheck the first row only. You uncheck the first row only. Remove the first row only. That checkbox you uncheck it. Very good. Remove it. Remove it. No. Click on that checkbox. That right. Okay. Done. Completed. Now go to that parameter, go up. No, within this tab, go up. Here, if you remember, we uploaded our mapping details under a metadata folder. So that's why parameter we need to give it as a global slash metadata. Can you give that parameter value as global slash global bal slash metadata slash listen, understand, learn, slash. Very good. Now, correct. That's correct. So, as we want to read all the metadata details that we have in this, as we are selecting a folder, it will ask to select what. Next, what we need to select. You did it already, you reverted back. Correct. Wildcard file path. Star you can put. Select it first option. Today I am getting headache also. Now you debug. When I say class, it will be easy for me, but the guiding is taking a lot of effort. Now you run the pipeline. I am saying click on debug above. What you are listening every day? Team, I request all of you to create Azure accounts and start practicing, team. If you're not practicing like this only, you will be there. Whatever I'm telling, you don't know even how to navigate. Now you see lookup is succeeded. Now can you take the lookup output? Come to the activity name, come down. Hey, no. What? You are directly expecting the output of the uh, pipeline. No, this is lookup just reading metadata. So here down, little bit down, you move the cursor, little bit down. Now left side, you move cursor left side, little bit left side, you move. You are moving the options. I am asking cursor. Now you come down little bit, come down slowly. Next to the lookup one, slowly you move there. See, two arrows are showing now. Two arrows are showing next to the lookup activity. Now bring cursor on the lookup one. Yeah, not that one. Team, anybody can you help him to guide him?
Go to lookup, where lookup is written, na? Take your cursor over there.
In the output section.
Click on lookup
Down,
one option. See
option,
here.
down, left, down, down. Come down. There two arrows are there, na?
Right. Click on the next one. This is input. That is output. Click on output. Click on output. Okay, this is the output of the lookup. Expand this. Maximize this. Okay. If you're not able to maximize, copy to clipboard. Click on the copy to clipboard. Put it in the notepad. This output, enter output. Put it in a notepad. Very good. You open new sheet and put it here. Okay. Now go up. Now tell me, we need to pass a count or value to the next activity. Which activity we need to use next? Which activity we need to use next? Team, tell me. I'm not asking only Amar. Everybody, I'm asking. What is the next activity? For each.
For each.
Yeah, next to the lookup, you put the for each activity, Amar, and you know what to pass. Yeah, please do it quickly. Go to the lookup. Go to pipeline. So now go to activities, search for each again. Go to look, see, there you remove the lookup, search for each, for for each. Bring it, bring this one. Connect these two. On success, we want to run for each. Correct, good. Now click on the for each activity. Don't go inside. You are doing whatever you know you are doing. Okay, click on settings, down settings. So now click on sequential, check the box sequence. Now click on that items box, click add dynamic content. So select what we need to select. You should tell me now. Okay, click OK. Okay. Now you go insert for each. 3 ways I told you how to go insert for each. See what? It is very clear that you are not listening in our classes. Team, how many times I told him this for each?
Yeah, click on
Every
the
day
for
I'm
each.
telling are there. He is not even able to follow single way how to go
No,
inside for it.
not that one.
No, don't click anything whatever you like because everything if goes wrong we can't able
On
to
for each,
see
that pencil button is there, right?
pen icon or pencil icon is there, right? Click on that. Now you go inside for it. Now you need to add a copy activity. Can you add copy activity inside here? Add copy activity here, Amar. Remove the for each name. Where you have activities, for each is also activity. You add a lookup for each. Add the copy now. Search there. Remove the for each name is there. That's why the activities are not showing. Now you search for copy. Copy means you are searching for activities. Okay. Now you select source dataset, sync dataset. Okay, now go to source. Click on this folder. You need to pass the value. Don't hard code the value. You are looking at the folders for hard coding. Don't do that. Go to pipeline. We will guide you. Click on that value box. See source dataset you have. For that dataset parameter is there. For that dataset parameter, you need to pass the value. Where you will pass the value for dataset parameter? Tell me. Click on that box. Where you will pass the value for dataset parameter, Amar. What Amar you are when I am explaining the class, I think you are listening music or you are sleeping or what? Click on the ds underscore param underscore folder. Next to that there is a value. You don't know even you are doing earlier also you did for this. Above.
No. Just go up, little bit up. DS param folder is there, na? Next to that value tab is there.
Down. See, copy activity source data set you selected, right? So source data set parameter is showing here, right? What are you? What is doing? He is going to activities again. Please, Amar, please listen. Source data set where you selected, please come down. Where you selected source data set, come to that place. Within the copy activity, you selected a source data set. Please come to that place. Yeah, what is this, man?
No, Amar, little
DS,
up. This value.
correct.
Just click. Yes.
Correct. No, don't hard code anything. Why are you hard coding? Click on add dynamic content. Select for each dot, put dot. Now you go to your notepad. Take the name src underscore container is the key. Put that name there, item dot. Here you put item dot. After item dot should be there. యార్ వాట్ మ్యాన్ తెలుగులో చెప్తాను విను ఐటమ్ డాట్ తర్వాత డాట్ పెట్టు ఐటమ్ పారాంథసిస్ తర్వాత డాట్ పెట్టు డాట్ ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ రిమూవ్ చేయి క్లిక్ ఓకే now you are selecting the folder select wildcard option okay this is the source okay go to sync now source is completed go to sync okay now pass the sync dataset parameter item dot see one time you need a push but that one time only we are struggling to make you understand the things dot okay click okay that's it your pipeline is completed now you debug run your pipeline click on debug above now your pipeline should run successfully so he completed the lab team
Is there any refresh issue in general? if you see the for each
No, generally,
container,
refresh takes 20 seconds or something is there, time is there. So, right,
uh,
Amar, after refresh button, there is a one icon, right? Can you put the cursor there? No, above, keep it there. Here it will tell you what it is telling. It is not telling. It should tell you generally. Click on that one. Same option. Click on that. Nothing is coming. Generally it will show there. Every 10 or 20 minutes there will be a general refresh will be there, but to make our refresh every time you can just click on that. Now Amar, go to the sync blob storage and see whether folders are loaded with data or not. Sync blob, sync is your blob. Here refresh it. Now you see folders came. Check whether data is there in these folders or not. See, data came. Okay, so now Amar, what you need to do, look at whatever steps you have done and note down everything in the documentation and go through once again. Whatever steps you have done, you have to go through once again and understand. Okay, and so once you understand, what you have to do is you need to prepare your notes and make yourself comfortable in all the things and try to create once again. If you are comfortable, okay, you try to create the similar pipeline by your own. First you have to be very confident. I request you to not to delete the existing one, create a new pipeline with the pipeline 2 dataset, blob, sync 2. So everything give the name as a 2. Wherever you have a doubt, again come back to the original one and look at that. Okay, fine.
my
So
question is different, sir. Can you go to pipeline Amar once? Can you open the pipeline? If you see the for each activity, inside that activities, it shows no activities, but he has already
oh,
added a
that
copy
okay, okay, okay.
activities.
That is, click on publish all, Amar. Above you see an option called publish. No. Publish all within the same here. First, see, when I say some option, you look at everywhere. When I say go inside for each, you need to look into the option how to go. I am saying publish all is there within this page on the top. See, on above your data set tab, right? Data set tab is there, right? On above pipeline tab. Tabs means you understand.
There
Little
is one
I leave the
yellow color
I
circle
leave the
with
group.
number
I
3.
leave the group, sir.
come down. Is because generally what happens is he might be having a problem with the meeting. He's sharing the screen, right? Lot of meeting options will be popped up. So I think he's confusing there. Summer, so listen, can you move your cursor to the activities tab? Activities, you searched for copy activity, lookup activity, right? Okay. Now you see on top of that there is a activities. On top of activities, ds underscore adls underscore src. On top of that, publish all is there. Click on publish all. Yes, click publish. So you need to save these changes in case if something is not showing, so that everything will be shown. Now you go to pipeline 1, Amar. Pipeline 1 tab. Now you just be here. Now can you refresh this entire page? Select the URL, click enter. Now entire page you have to refresh. No, entire page refresh means okay, fine. See, now it is showing, right?
Yeah,
Are
now
you
can
all?
see.
Yeah, that is temporary. It's okay. Okay, when you publish, everything will be shown. Next.
So, Malaya, this is
Hmm.
Swati. So, actually, I was
So,
following completely all the steps, but I missed only one step. How can we establish that arrow mark between the lookup and for each? I entered everything data, but to run the pipeline at last step, right? So, we need to
Amar, can you show
connect.
her how to create a connection between lookup and for each, that arrow? See, he is just dragging like this and connecting for each. Are you getting? He is dragging and connecting here for each like this. You understood, Swati?
Yes, I'm doing it.
If you need help, let me know. I'll
Fine.
give you screen share
Yes,
access.
yes, Malaya. Done. I'm done. Thank you. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So I'll
And
be available next 8 minutes, team. You have to ask all your doubts quickly. Otherwise, I'll connect again at 8:30 after completion of Databricks session. Tell me, Swati, your doubts.
so Malaya, when I run debug option, right, I could see
Hmm.
for each activity, items for each one items is required. Like that, I'm getting the
Because inside for it,
message.
you should have a copy activity. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So because you have not passed the lookup output to the for each, that's why it is saying like that. Do one thing, please share your screen because Amar is
Sure, sure,
completed, right? So I want you to
sure.
share your screen. You can finish up quickly. Share your screen. I am seeing, see, there are a lot of people, but only I am seeing the names around 14 people are practice. That's it. Can you share your screen? I have given you access already.
Yeah, Amalaya, can you please give me the share access once again?
Once again. Okay, one second. Because I don't know why you joined with two devices. Make presenter. Okay. So I have given access once again. So I am seeing some people. Vijay, why you are not proceeding? Everybody's completed team except I'm seeing very few people. Good. Now you go inside for each Swati. Click on for each. Here you see sequence. Click on sequence. So for each, yeah, click on that sequence. Down you see items. Click on that items box. First to share option, can you hide it? So click on add dynamic content. Click on that box, add dynamic content. What do you need to pass here? Tell me. I think you what? Cancel this. Cancel this. Cancel this. Cancel this. I'm saying cancel this. Why you are getting? So
I
click on the
think
for
while
each one.
creating DS, we
Yeah.
need to select none, right?
Where she has to select none. Now click on items once again. Click on add dynamic content team. Can you come down? You should be able to see other outputs. So come down. Yeah, here can you select value array? Without all these things, how you did, I don't know. Click OK now. So now you passed the lookup output to the for each. Go inside for each now. Swati, go inside for each. Team, really, I thought only that student is having a problem, but I'm feeling he is also done well. You all see 3 ways I told to go inside for each. You are taking more time to go inside for each. Click on copy data. Source side. Come down and show me whether parameter values and all you passed. See, you passed everything. Source side. Show me source side. Sync side is fine. Source side. Come down. Okay. Come down further. Wildcard file option. Have you used star? Have you used star? Yes. Now you can run pipeline. Looks everything is fine. Can you run pipeline and see whether it's working or not? Debug. Click on debug. Right. So you can keep monitoring your sync storage, Swati, meantime, whether it is loading the files or not. Okay. So now I am sharing my screen. See, only these people are completed the lab team. So I am seeing here, Swati, you also completed the lab. Please fill all these details. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Swati,
Yes,
are you
Malaya.
getting? Okay. Fill all these things. Amar is completed. Santosh, you joined today. So you please go through the previous sessions and start your practice. Vijay, where you got stuck, Vijay? Why you are not able to proceed? Tell me.
Sir, today I will do from scratch onwards, sir. I will
See,
complete
you
today.
are telling from morning onwards. I'll start from scratch. What? Why you are not doing from
No, no,
morning?
no, sir. I will go through once again for videos, sir. That's why.
See, I'm telling this is a problem for you only. See, this lab is
Yes,
for
sir.
you, not for me. If you're not
Yes, sir.
practicing,
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes, sir.
available to fix your issues or something. And out of,
Mm.
see, half people also not practiced. 14 people
No, no,
means not
no.
even
Actually,
40,
actually,
30%
what happened,
only
sir?
practiced. Fine, see, whatever reasons, that is up to you, but you have to please practice it. That is only telling for
Yes, sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
And I
My
want
end
to,
only problem.
yeah, yeah, fine. I'm telling you because why I spend this much time. Going forward, labs are very, very difficult. So these
Yes, sir.
are only the first week. We have it
Yes.
almost 13, 14 weeks of training, out of which first week we completed. Now first week lab
Okay.
only. And if you're not doing first week lab only, you have to imagine how much difficult apps will come in the going forward. So a lot of
Okay, sir.
complex labs we are going to discuss. Please practice it. Otherwise, you will not even able
Okay.
to
Today
understand
I will
what I am,
close, sir.
how
All
I am
the things.
passing parameters. No, Vijay, I am not telling to you. I am telling to everybody. So here, at least you
Okay.
started with it. You are in the class. You are observing the things. But I am
Yes.
seeing only like half, more than half people are just dropped when I say it's a lab session, not a actual session.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you people, like the reason is they want to just listen the class and understand the lab, and they are not practicing. If you're not practicing, no use even if you just listen. Okay. Take care of all these things, team. So if anybody need, you can let me know. So I'll be available after 8:30 after my data break session. So if you really need once again connect to look into your lab, I'll look into that lab. Okay. Anybody need any help at this moment, team?
No.
Okay, fine. If not required, then thank you all. Thank you. So whoever is having a doubts, don't delete the things. First, what you need to do, please look at whatever pipeline you develop after a hour or something. Please listen here. You look at how you have to delete is, you need to come to this subscription. Sorry, here you have to click on it. Go to resource groups. Here you can see all the resource group based on your names. Resource groups are created. For example, I want to delete some resource group called this one. Network watcher is my resource group. Click on this, select the name, click on this delete resource group, put the name here, click delete. If you're not deleting by 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, by max 11, I'll be deleting everything and we will revoke the access. So please, next 1 hour or 1.5 hours, look into the pipeline that you developed, team. Okay, that will be good. Any questions? Anybody have any questions? Final call, team. Okay, team. If no questions, then thank you. Bye.